Everybody doing great? Had a great day at school? Good. Very good. Very good. Sixth class is always full of energy, I have seen. Right? I can see you all had really good day and you all had really good lunch also today. Right? All right. So, like we can see on the screen here, what are these students doing? These students have gathered to speak in English. Like whom? Like all of us. All right. So today again, we will start with speaking in English. You can see some pictures on the screen and then we can start. But before that, you have to tell me what is the topic for today. All right. Okay. Bharat Ratna and Abel, I think your mics are on. So whenever we are sitting together, gathering for any, meeting or to even for a group study, we always first of all greet each other. We ask each other, how are you doing today? And then we start. Okay. And why do we need to speak in English? To be very confident because it is spoken everywhere now, right?
Very good,
Now,
very good.
I'm sorry, is anyone saying anything? All right. So, Abel, anyone from Abel, can anyone tell me what is going on in this picture? Anyone? Whatever you perceive. Oh, very good. Very good. From sixth class, it's always like this, quickly, just within seconds, students are coming forward. Speak loudly, clearly. Hanji, bache. Abel, I'm not able to listen you. I'm not able to hear you. What is happening here? You can see, actually, there are two kids only who are, acting as reporters here. What they are doing is they are reporting a present live news, whatever is happening there, right? What are they saying? That we are reporting from the Central Park where a community event is happening. So they are saying stay tuned for the event. Okay. So something in present is happening. You must have seen news, right? In news, you can see live news if something is happening somewhere. Anji Bacha, you can go back. From Bharat Ratna, anyone please come forward. So those were the live news, right? That was something that was happening in the present. And the students were reporting those news. Now, what is happening here? Still, it's news, broadcasting news, but what kind of news? Anyone from Bharat Ratna? Hanji, first bench girl, I think you just raised your hand. Hanji. बच्चे दो Absolutely, absolutely. So, what are these news saying? They're saying heavy rain and strong winds caused a tree to fall on Maple Street. No one was injured and cleanup was very quick. They did the cleanup very quickly. So this is in the past, right? This was yesterday's news. Bharat Ratna, you can, okay. All right. Now, this one, who will come from Aurora and tell now what has changed here? Present one we have discussed, then the past news we have discussed. What is happening in this one? Hanji, there's a girl who has raised her hand. She's sitting near the window. Bache, please come forward. Okay. Hanji. Yes, here you can see they're telling about the weather forecast. And when we say forecast, what do we mean by that? It is for the future. We are forecasting for the future. So they are saying it might rain tomorrow, right? Sunny spells in many areas, rain possible in few places, some places, right? Temperature will raise or temperature will be pleasant. So what is the topic for today? What are we going to discuss today? Yes, today we will be discussing about tenses. So, how about we convert the tenses, we change the tenses from present to past to future, and we jump on those. Okay? So, this is today we will be talking about simple present tense, simple past tense, and simple future tense. So, now in this, you can see that what in this, what do you see? This is simple present tense, right? Any habits, any facts, when you have to state those, she writes every day, he runs every day, she's a writer, she's writing. So she writes every day. Water boils. We don't say that water will boil or water boiled, right? So these are some facts, some habitual things. So that's when we use simple present tense. Okay. Then he has already reached the school. So the event has happened in the past. He walked to the school. They ate their lunch. You can see their plates are dirty. This is for future. Will, right? We use will. I will call my friend. It will rain soon. Now, sometimes we shall and sometimes we use will. So first of all, let's see. If language is a story, then tenses are the time machine. And what is the verb then? Verb is the time traveler. We can jump to different times by using different tenses, right? Do you know who is a time traveler? Time traveler is a person who can travel to different times, different time zones, not just the zones, different times. He can jump to 10 years forward or 10 years backward. Isn't that crazy? What if we all have a time machine and we can go back? What if you can, go 10 years from now and you can just see how life will be after 10 years if you go in future? Or you go back 2 years, the past 2 years, and then you realize, oh, I did this mistake. Maybe I can correct that now, right? So that time machine here, what is that? Tenses. All right. And the verb is the time traveler. Why? Because verb is the thing that we change. The form of the verb changes. Simple present, simple past. Other tenses you will do further, I think, in your next class. All right. So who will come from Booker and read these sentences and then tell the past form of these sentences? Anyone from Booker? Quickly, you can come. So this is just a little scenario about AI in schools. We use a lot of AI, right? Different forms, Chat GPT, Claude, Perplexity. Anyone from Booker? Students use AI tools in classrooms. What would be the present? What is the present? Sorry, this is already in present tense. What is the past tense for this sentence?
Students use the AI tools in classrooms.
Students used AI tools in classrooms. Now, can you please tell me future tense of this? This one
Students will use AI tools in classrooms.
in the classrooms, right? Now, can you read this one and tell the past and the future for this one?
Teachers explained lesson with smart boards.
Anji, but when you're speaking, let's not overemphasize on the last syllable of a word. Speak softly. Even if you have to speak a little slowly, speak slowly. Don't overpronounce any word, okay? Don't elongate the last syllable of your word. Hanji. Teachers explain lessons with smart boards. What is the past form for this one? So where is the major change? It is in the verb. What is the verb? Explain. So past form of explain is, what would be the sentence here? Teachers explained lessons with smart boards. And what will be the future form for this? Very easy for all you smart students. I know you all are very smart, very intelligent. I can see so many hands being raised. So for this one, it's teachers will explain lessons with smart boards. Now, Abel, first girl in central line. Abel, anyone from you? Anyone? Hanji bache. Can you read this one and tell us the past and the future form for this? Like you can see in this sentence, for present we use the base form of verb, right? For past, simple past, we use the simple past form. And for future, we use again the base form, right? We don't use any past or any other form. We use the base form. So many children learn faster. What is the past form for this, bache? Past tense. Many children learned faster, right? And the future one is many children will learn faster. Now, learned is Learned. This is like the American English that we use the word. Thank you, bache. Bell also, I can see a lot of response today. Otherwise, like a little informal or a little irregular word would be Learnt. Okay? And when do we use will or shall? Can anyone tell me? Will is usually used when we are just, doing a casual conversation. Shall we use mostly when it is a very formal conversation. And mostly it is used with I and we, right? Or, when we are talking about some legal thing, something in legal context like I shall abide by the law, we shall abide by the rules and regulations, right? Otherwise, we use will. Okay? Or any for future predictions, for any future things we use will. Otherwise, for formal, especially, or any legal issues, we use shall. Okay? Or any formal suggestions also. Now, anyone from Bharat Ratna? Central line, fifth bench boy. Central line, fifth bench boy. You tried your best to hide. Who will hide, they have to come forward first of all. No, not you, the other one. The other student. Aajo bache. Thank you so much for coming. What a pleasure that you are coming here. Don't do like that. We are all friends here. We are all learning here together. Okay, you are here to speak English. This class is all about that. All right? And it is very easy. We all are making very easy for you. Hanji, what is the first sentence? So this is a better day without the internet. Sometimes it's better, when you're not using your gadgets, your phones, and your laptops, right? Hanji, please write the first sentence and change it into past form and future.
People get confused without the internet.
What is the past for this? So we can. Hmm?
People get confused without the internet.
Good. And future?
People will feel confused without the internet.
You knew the answer very well. Still, you were hiding your face. Why? I wonder. I think you were the one who spoke really quickly. Don't do that, but just come forward quickly and just reply. Okay, you should volunteer to come forward. These are very easy exercises for you. I know you all are very smart. You can go back now. Next time, come forward yourself. Okay, raise your hands. Okay, Hanji. Who will come from Arjuna? For students, search for books instead of phones. If there is no internet, rather than going for phones, students will see which magazines should I read or which comics or books. Hanji from Arjuna, first bench girl. Both have raised their hand. Anyone from first bench? Please change the sentence into past tense and future tense. हाँ जी.
You have to change into past.
Past form for this sentence is
Students searched for books instead of phones.
very good. And the future? Change this into future.
Students will search for books instead of phones.
Very good. Can you please do this one also for us?
Families talked more. Families will talk more.
Very good, very good. So this is what will happen when there, if just in case if there is no internet for a day, right? I think that would be wonderful. Don't you think so? Sometimes who likes to read books more than phones or watching some movies or serials? Who are who are like real avid readers here? Oh wow. But it is always good to read at least 1 or 2 pages every day, if not much, of your own genre, whichever genre you like. Very good. I can see two hands also. Some people are raising 2 hands, means they really love to read books, right? All right. Thank you, Bache. Now, who will come from Aurora again for this slide? Aurora, anyone? Fourth bench, window side lane. Fourth bench, please. Hanji bache. So first of all, you can read this and then change this into past form and future form.
People waste water every day and people will waste water every day.
Hanji. Second, this one bache. Rivers become dirty.
Became dirty, rivers will become dirty.
Very good. And the third one?
Some children save water at home, some children will save water at home.
Right, right. Can you give me a good caption for this whole picture? Any caption or any heading? Anything?
Save water.
Hanji?
Save water.
Save water. Very good. Very nice. So whenever we are giving any captions, we can just tell about the whole gist, the whole crux of the picture that we are looking at, right? What is the whole idea or the whole concept of the picture? That is what the caption is all about. All right. So every drop saved today secures tomorrow. All right. Who will come from Bharat Ratna? Third bench girl. Central line. Bharat Ratna. Hanji bache. Please read this and change this to past and present.
Ma'am, first sentence.
Hanji.
Ma'am, into past we have to change.
Bache, first of all, read this and tell which tense is this and then change it into other two forms which are not written here. Which tense is this, first of all?
Simple present.
Very good. Now, please read this and change this into past.
Scientists studied Mars carefully.
Hanji, and what is the future?
Scientists will study Mars carefully.
Good. Can you do the same for the second sentence?
When robots collected information is past and robots will collect information is future.
Good. And the third one?
When people dreamed about living there is past. People will dream about living there is the future.
Good. Good. Can you tell me what's the spelling for dreamed? For the third sentence, when you are writing in past, spelling for dreamed.
DREAMED.
Good. So that is the right way of writing dreamed. Okay, you can go back, bache. Very good. Otherwise, like in British English, sometimes we use DREAMT. Okay, but that is a little irregular again, a little not very formal. So DREAMED is the right one, or we can say the better one. Okay, ji. From Abel, last boy in central line. Can you please come forward, bache? First of all, you can give a caption for this one. Central line, last boy. You know, when I ask you to come forward, you should be like, I will go, rather than you go. That is the kind of confidence and energy I want to see in all of you. And I know you all have that already. Anji, bache, can you please give a nice caption? Or, you know, let's say if this is a story, what can you say about it? The heading or the story name.
Name of the story is Mars.
Story on Mars.
Yes.
Okay, that is good. Otherwise, we can say life on Mars. Right?
Yes.
Okay. All right, bache. Now, can you please tell me what is the form tense of this sentence, and please change into the other two tenses. Okay.
The first one sentence is that
Hmm.
students carry heavy bags. It is
Anji,
past tense.
good. It is simple past tense. And what is the simple present tense for this?
Students carry heavy bags.
Hmm.
And
Is
people
this wrong if I say students carries heavy bags?
yes.
Why so?
And because friends are plural and with the plural the
Hmm.
S is not used.
Yes, there has to be the subject and the verb agreement, right? For plurals, we do not use s in the verb, so it's carry. And for future, can you convert this in future, simple future tense?
Will carry heavy bags.
Very good. You can go back, bache. From Abel, central line, last boy. Okay, you can leave it. From side lane, there is a boy who just raised his hand. I think it's third last bench or second last bench. Side lane. Hanji, bache, please come forward. Please tell us which is this form of tense, and please convert it into another two tenses. Other two tenses. It's simple past, right? Can you convert this into simple present now?
When students carry heavy bags, teacher writes on boards, children attend class is in a building.
Good. Now, can you convert this into future tense?
Students will carry heavy bags, teacher will write on board, children children will attend the class.
Yes, good. Can you give a good caption for this picture? Anything? Any heading or, you know, any caption for this?
School.
School, we can say, or, you know, this is like different times. Here, we can even say 20 years in school, how things are going to change, right? When we are talking about present, past, and future, we can always even talk about the change, right? Good, very good. I have a lot of appreciation for all the students who raise their hands and who come forward themselves. It means a lot to the teacher and to students, of course, I believe. All right. Now, who will come from Arjuna and tell us which is this form? Uh, okay, side girl sitting near window, third last bench. Hanji.
Good afternoon, madam.
I cannot see you. A lot is happening in other classes. Okay.
Simple past tense. Factory spirit pollution, simple present.
Very
Factory
good.
spirit pollution, simple future.
Good. Please speak a little louder. Okay. The second one.
That it is in simple past. Weather changes quickly in simple present. Weather will change quickly in simple future.
Very good. And this one.
Now it is in simple past. Many
Hanji.
animals lose their homes. Many animals will lose their homes.
Right. Good. So here for present, what did we say? Many animals lose their homes, right? For that, what's the spelling for that lose? It is LOSE. Some students write LOOSE. When we are saying ki gum gaya, I lost it, that is LOSE, right? Don't lose so much of weight. That is LOSE. When we are saying something is very loose, like an elastic or a rubber band or something, that is when we write LOOSE. Okay? Good, bache. Can you give a caption for this one? Anyone? Anyone from Booker? Can anyone give a good caption for this? The story name for this picture. This is all related to climate, right? So Booker, corner boy, last bench. He has raised his hand. Please come forward, bache. Please give a good caption for this and then we will move forward. Hanji. Anything for this? Any heading that you would like to say?
Save the earth.
I'm sorry, please repeat again.
Save the earth.
Save the, oh, very good. Yes, that's very good. Climate change, save the earth, very nice. Stay back, please stay back. Booker, please stay back, bache. Now, can you please tell us the tense form for this and you can change this into other forms? Just the first one.
Future and simple future.
Hanji, what would be the present tense for this?
Children play outdoor games.
Yes, and past?
When children were playing outdoor games. When children played outdoor games.
Children played outdoor games. That's good. That's right. You can go back now, bache. So it is always children. Don't say children's ever. It is always child, children. Okay, there is no children's. Now, anyone from Aurora? Anyone from Aurora, you can come forward to tell these two sentences. Anyone, bache? Okay, second last bench. I think it's second last bench, side towards window. Hmm. Which tense is this? Hanji?
Second.
Hanji? Second. Friends will visit each other. Which tense is this? Will visit.
And this is a simple future tense.
Good. It's a simple future tense. And what would the past tense for this one?
Friends visit each other.
Friends visited each other. And the Sorry. Past would be friends visited each other, and present would be
Each other.
friends visit each other. That's good. And this one now, families will enjoy dinner together. So this is, I know you know it's simple future. What would be the past for this one?
Families enjoy dinner together.
Hanji. And present?
Families enjoy dinner together.
Very good. Can you give a good caption for this one? When do we do these things? When we do not have mobiles in our hands, when we do not sit and just watch TV, just like that, spending hours there. This can be a day without mobile, a mobile free day, right? Or a technology free day when we go and play, visit our friends, eat together. All right. Who will come forward from Arjuna? Anyone? Hanji. Okay. From Central Line, boy with specs. I think it's second bench. Hanji, bache. First of all, when you're looking in this picture, what do what comes to your mind? What kind of caption would you like to give to this picture?
When when the Indian match, the Indian fans while a match.
Yes, good. Or India wins a big sports event. India wins the match. That is great. Hanji, which tense is this? And please change this to different tenses.
Past fans cheered loudly. Simple past.
Present would be
Fans fans cheer loudly.
very, fans cheer loudly. And past, sorry, future.
Fans will cheer loudly.
Very good. And can you tell us the second one also, please?
Ma'am, a simple past.
Hanji.
Players players perform brilliantly. Players will perform brilliantly.
Very good. And the third one?
Simple past, simple present, the whole country celebrates.
Hmm.
The, the whole country will celebrate.
Very good. Very good, Bache. You can go back now. Today, all the answers were correct. All the students whosoever have called have come forward and, you all have spoken very well today, very confidently. Now, let's do the last one. Wait, is this the last one? Okay. This is the second last one. Who will come from Bharat Ratna? Okay, third bench girl. You just raise your hand. Hanji. This is the second last. After this would be the last one because I think your class time is getting over now. Hmm?
Robert's clean room.
Hanji bache. Which tense is this?
Simple present.
Yes. Please convert this to past and future.
Robots clean rooms. Robots will clean rooms.
Good. The second sentence?
They help old people. This is past. They will help old people. This is
They
future.
they help old people. This is past.
They helped.
They helped. Okay. And they will help old people is future. What about the third sentence?
Children enjoyed talking to them. This is the past. Children will enjoy talking to them. This is
Hmm.
future.
Good. Can you give a good caption for this picture? Anything? When we look at the pictures, now this increase our Creativity, our imagination. You know, caption, forming caption, making caption is a very big contest. We can say future with robots or robots at home, right? Hanji. Now this is the last one. Thank you, bache. This is the last one. Thanks. Who will come from? Okay, let's see. Okay, Booker, side lane girl. Hanji, bache, come forward. Bache, you just raised your hand. Side lane girl who is sitting fourth last bench. Hanji. Let's do this and finish with this. Please read the sentence and tell us which tense is this.
Students make the new rules.
Good. Just imagine if for one day teachers, tell you, okay, today you can be the teachers or you can make your own rules. If you want, you can give yourself some homework. If you don't want, don't give. Would you like such a day at your at your home? At your schools? I think so. All. Hanji bache. First is students make new rules. Which tense is this?
Simple present tense.
Very good. Now please change the tense to past and future.
Past is students make the new rules and future is students will make new rules.
Hardly. Students made new rules and will make new rules. Good. Second sentence.
They gave, this is the present, simple present tense.
Mm.
And the past is they gave less homework. They will give less homework.
Very good. And the third one?
This is also simple present tense. They allowed fun activities in past. They will allow fun activities in future.
Very good. Somebody speaking from Bharat Ratna, I think. Okay, students, thank you so much. Your answers were correct. Next time we will be doing a worksheet on this. Okay. The worksheet will be little related to your literature book, your literature chapters. So we will be doing simple present, past, and future worksheet from those. There are, I think, 2 chapters from which we will be doing that worksheet. Okay, you will get your worksheets next week. So thank you so much for today. I'll see you next week, everyone. And a big clapping, applause, round of applause for all those students who came forward themselves, who volunteered, who raised their hands. Sometimes I cannot call everyone, whosoever has raised their hands. But it is always wonderful to see all the energy and that, enthusiasm that, yes, you want to speak in English. Okay? All right. So thank you so much for making me happy by coming forward and answering the questions. Okay, students, I'll see you next week then. Bye-bye. Take care, everyone. Have a great day. Bye.